Hey there. In a breakfast rut, everything is boring, always seems the same. Yeah, I've been there. In this episode, we're going to change that. Welcome to Off the Cuff, everybody. And today, it's time for breakfast. Now, I'm a member of a whole bunch of groups online. Diabetic recipes, low-carb recipes, you name it. And one of the biggest complaints, and also one of the biggest questions I hear all the time is, what can I have for breakfast? Breakfast! Special effects? Neat. Well, I'm here to answer that question. I've come up with a breakfast today that's decadent, delicious, a little bit naughty, but it's really not. It's low carb, and you are going to love it. And I know what you're thinking. Where do I come up with these ideas? Well, you know what? Sometimes ideas like this are as close as your own backyard. I wonder what I want for breakfast. I wonder what America wants for breakfast. Hey, America! What do you want for breakfast?
What have you got?
I wasn't expecting an answer. What do you want?
Well, I'm a diabetic. I'm watching my carbs.
Yeah, me too.
I get sick and tired of the same things all the time. I used to love to have a nice sausage, egg, and cheese on a biscuit. Oh well, thanks anyway.
Wait! I found a recipe for a low-carb buttermilk biscuit. They're amazing.
Really?
I can make a low-carb sausage, egg, and cheese on a biscuit.
That sounds great.
I can make one for you, too.
Really? Great.
Are you guys having breakfast?
Yeah, we're diabetics. I'm making a low-carb sausage, egg, and cheese on a biscuit.
Good for you. Morons! Now will you shut the hell up? It's 6 in the morning.
Sorry.
Sorry about that.
Boy, what a sourpuss.
I heard that.
So when do you want me over?
How about a half an hour?
Great. Hey, I'll bring over my Yoko Ono albums. What is your address? Hello? Hello? Here are the ingredients.
Let's make our low-carb sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. First off, the biscuit. 1 cup Carb Quick. That's a low-carb flour alternative made from carbulose. 3/4 tablespoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon butter, cold or frozen. 1 egg yolk, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Now for the biscuit filling, real easy. 1 egg scrambled, 1 slice American cheese or any other cheese you want, and 1 sausage patty. Time for breakfast! All right, now I'm going to make the biscuit batter. It's really, really easy, and you can use your food processor. Yeah, it's going to be easy. You take your Carb Quick or your carbulose and put it in. Your baking powder and your salt. 5 to 8 pulses to get it going. Perfect. Now we take. It doesn't matter. I'm going to take my egg yolk, put that in, and I'm going to pulse that about 5 times. Very good. Now the butter, which needs to be cold. You don't want to do this too much either. 5 to 8 times until it becomes like little balls, like little ball bearings. I did 8. Yep, that's good. Maybe 2. Well, maybe 2 more. And now finally, your heavy cream. We're going to be pulsing this as we pour it in. We don't want to do it all at once. We want to do it gradually. Maybe it would be better if I showed it from this side. Oh yeah, I'm a professional. Now, what I noticed as I was doing that is it was kind of thumping around there, forming a dough. That's perfect. We're now ready to get our biscuits going. Okay, now that it's done, we're going to put this on the board and we're going to flatten it out. But first, I'm going to do a little cheat. Yeah, just a little cheat.
Now them Duke boys is usually on the up and up. But if they say they're gonna cheat, I'd say it's worth a gander.
Now the cheat is, I'm taking a little bit of all-purpose flour and I'm just sprinkling it here. Not a lot, just a little. It's easy to mold your dough in it, and it gives a little of that texture to your biscuits without the carbs. Here we go, just plop it all out. Make it a disaster, that's what I say. So it helps it not to stick, and it gives it a little bit of that doughy feeling on the outside. It's not bad. Now, you don't want to overwork this dough. You don't. So I'm slightly kneading it about 15 times. That's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, there's a row piece, 13, 14, 15. That's about what you want. Like I said, you don't want to do it too much. Okay, we're ready to start cutting. Our biscuits are ready. For me, only the best, this 2009 Mr. Spock commemorative glass. This is my biscuit cutter. Watch. Perfect biscuit every time. Place the biscuit here. Now we are ready for the air fryer. So when you air fry these, it's a little different than in the oven. In the oven, you should do these for 10 to 12 minutes at 450 degrees. Air fryers, you're in a much more compact place with circulated hot air. These get really, really super dark if you do it that long and that high. I'm going to put it in here for 300 and, well, not 4, but at 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. I'm going to check it at 8. While the biscuits cook to perfection, let's cook our sausage. And they're thin, so they shouldn't take that long to cook. I'll let it sit here for a bit, because this is just about done. Then I'm going to wash the pan and do my egg, and then get the cheese, and then we're done. Put the egg ring in here. I'm doing my egg scrambled. What I love about this, it all gets done pretty fast. And that egg ring did not work. The heck with the egg ring, I'll improvise. None of these elements take a long time to cook, which is good. That way your biscuits get to the right temperature. They cool down just enough. Now we flip the egg. Like so. Let's fold it over like that. Perfect. Now with the heat off, just let the ambient heat do it. Put your cheese on. Let it melt just a little bit. You want to cover it for maybe 30 seconds. Now let's assemble. They look beautiful. First off, your sausage and your egg. And there you have it. Yeehaw! Straight from the balcony to the kitchen, a low-carb sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. Man, this is just as advertised. This biscuit recipe is partially found online, partially my own. I found one of the great ways to get carb quick to hold together is to use that egg yolk, and it gives a great fluffy taste, and it rises higher. So it's a nice addition. It's got calories, it's got fat. We know that because of the sausage and the egg. But what it does have, what it doesn't have is carbs. Very low in carbs, guilt-free, num-num. Try getting that at a fast food place or someplace. I mean, this is decadent. I have not tried these. Well, I did try the biscuit last night, got to be honest, because I wanted to make sure it worked out. I have not tried it with the ingredients, and I added a little salt. Yeah, it was kind of flat last night, so I put some salt in. Okay, I'm going, my mouth is watering. I can't wait to taste this. Let's go. Oh boy. Mm. Wow! Wow. The biscuit is soft, it's flaky, it's tasty, it's tender. The egg, well, the egg is egg. The cheese is gooey, and the sausage is salty, and this is fantastic. You know, a lot of recipes I do here are for the first time. This is one of them. I will be doing this all the time because really, you can make this real fast. Oh, man. Highly recommend this. This is terrific. This is a winner. Please add it to your breakfast menu. That's it for this time around. We're here again in 2 weeks after this show debuts with another recipe. Until then, be well, eat good.